Okay, folks, we're here with UFactory, here with Bobby. Bobby, thanks for coming on and talking to us about UFactory and what you guys are doing.
Thanks.
All right, I see robotic arms, and we see robotic arms all over the place, but you guys have some unique stuff going on here. Why don't you tell us a little bit about what makes UFactory different than maybe some of what we see elsewhere on the floor?
Yeah, so we sell 5, 6, and 7 axis collaborative robotic arms, as well as all the end effectors that you see here. What kind of sets us apart is really just the ease of entry. They're very easy to program. We provide open source software development kits in Python, C++, ROS, and ROS 2. And then also just the price point is quite a lot more approachable than some of the other products. So if you think of like your URs or your Fanics, or other products in this sort of size range, those usually typically come out around $40,000. We sell ours for around $10,000.
Wow. And these are so it's totally open source. So I buy one of these from you, and I've got control. I can program it to whatever I want to do based on your kit.
That's right. Yeah, we only sell the hardware, and we provide really easy to use software development kits that we keep updated constantly. And so you can really just develop it for whatever you need. We don't sell any kind of software packages or anything else like that. It's just the hardware.
Cool. So let's talk about what you need, the use cases. What's your customer base? What do they look like? What are the best use cases for what you've got here?
So it really is all over the place. We sell to a lot of universities, a lot of startups, a lot of research in terms of what like the Modex customer would be, a lot of bin picking, light assembly, inspection, labeling, anything in the 1 to 5 kilogram range. So probably not going to be used for like palletizing or anything like that, but other points in your supply chain system for sure. Makes
sense. So what about maintenance over time? So we buy the robot from you, but then what? So do you have some kind of maintenance team that comes out and works with us, or is that they take that on themselves?
We do all of our, in the event that something happens to the hardware, we do everything via direct repair. So we pick up your robot, repair it, send it back out to you. Turnaround time on that is usually like about 30 days. And in terms of maintenance, there's not really very much. You do need to make sure you plug them in every once in a while. Keep them clean, keep them dry, that sort of stuff. But these are light enough that you can just ship them via parcel mail. So that's how we handle it. And everything comes with a 12-month warranty. If anything does happen outside of the warranty, we just charge you what it costs us to repair it. Typically, that's just a nominal fee of like maybe $1,000, depending on the issue.
Gotcha. Awesome. Well, Bobby, thank you, man. This is cool. It's a neat concept. I like it. So we definitely had to stop and talk to you about it. So UFactory, if you're interested, check them out. Bobby, thanks for coming on and talking to us.
Good to meet you.